am going to get a COVID test because it's required for Ezra's daycare and I haven't had one in a while. So I'm going to get one, and I found this place where they said there was no line, but I see people outside, so they better be not lying to me. But it's an urgent care and I just want to get a quick test. It closes at midnight, so it should be alright. So I'm gonna pop in there, get it done, and see how this goes. Over here.
What are you doing today?
COVID test, please.
No problem. Are you flying?
No.
Just don't pull back and breathe, okay?
Don't do what?
Don't do that. That was exactly what you just did. If you like, you can lean your head back. Like if you sit all the way back and just lean your head back.
Okay.
If you do that, it's gonna hurt you because it'll jam into your nose. So just breathe. And you're done. See, just a tickle. It's not as bad.
That's a tickle, right?
Yeah.
The snow has started to fall. It is 4:21 p.m. on Wednesday, and this is what we got so far. I'll give you an update a little bit later, but it's coming down. We're expecting quite a few inches. So we'll see if they are right about that. This is the progression, and it's now, let's see, it's now 5:30, so about an hour after. It's a little bit more. It's not crazy, but it's still coming down. We'll have to see tomorrow what the overnight look is. That's what we got so far. It's the morning now. It's about 5 to 8 a.m. And this is how much snow fell overnight. It doesn't look like a lot. We've definitely had more in the past, but it's still some. I mean, look at that person trying to walk. There's definitely not as many people out. And it's now blowing. I know you can tell it's blowing now. So we're not trying to come and take the car out of its space right now. You see that? You take the car out of the space, you get no space later. So we're gonna dig it out later, but we're not moving it. So yeah. Snow day.
are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind, go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in.
He's definitely trying to attack me. He's trying to attack mommy. No thanks, I don't want it on this camera.
Could that be?
Ah!
Being snowed in somewhere, you and me.
Yeah, this is definitely Ezra's first time in the snow. He wouldn't have been any other time in the snow. I was trying to think the last time he would have been on the snow, but I don't think so. So this is Ezra's officially first time in the snow. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but I don't think so.
Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Just picked up Ezra from daycare. There he is. And I'm on here to let you know, guys, that I got my COVID test back and I'm negative. Oh my gosh, what a blessing, because I'm telling you right now, avoiding COVID is it's not as easy as you think, because I mean, it's a microorganism and you know, it's hard. Like, you can wash your hands all you like, you can wear your mask all you like, but like, you know, you could touch a door and then later on maybe like rub your eye, I don't know, like touch your face when you forgot or something. So I'm so grateful because obviously being super cautious, I always wear my mask, always wash my hands, use hand sanitizer and stuff, but you just, you know, you still can't fully protect yourself from it. It's you know, it's something that's just going to happen. It's a virus, right? It could happen. So I'm just grateful that my test came back negative, and I'm testing because, as I said before, Ezra's daycare want us to test every week to make sure that not only are we safe, but also Ezra is, because he's mixing with other children there, and we're trying to create a pod where we only see the same type of people all the time, which is why you always see me kind of hanging out with the same type of people, because we're technically in this kind of same pod together. So yeah, I'm very, very grateful, and I thank God that it came back negative. So I'll test again. So he's now finished daycare until January. So I'll test again just before he goes back to daycare again. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And basically it's still snowing outside. I mean, it's not still snowing, but we still have snow. You can see it outside. Most of it got pushed to the side by sanitation. So some cars are buried, but luckily my hubby went outside yesterday and dug the car out. So I was able to drive out, drop Ezra, come back, get the same space, because no one's really moving their car right now because obviously snow. Everyone's car is in the same spot, and alternate side parking has been cancelled, so that which means we don't have to move the car like we would normally move the car. So that's great. So I picked up Ezra. We had a little play on the snow, but there he is. I'm telling you, he loves this app. Oh, and I also wrapped that Christmas present over there. Christmas present wrapping is so hard. Like, are you guys good at it? Because I feel like I really need to take a Christmas wrapping or like gift wrapping, not necessarily Christmas, but like gift wrapping course. I'm gonna look into it because I want to be good. I want to wrap really good, but I don't always. Let me show you. So this is, hey Nutcracker. This is the one that I did. Felt quite good about that. And this is that app that I was telling you about, toddler learning. So he's doing like colouring and stuff on here. Did you finish it? Nearly. Uh-oh, one mini more?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Cool. Look at what you colored.
Yeah, that's good. Ezra, can I have Gigi, please? Can I speak to Gigi? Thank you. Oh no, he's upset. Okay. No. I was joking. Woo, joking. Ha ha ha.